Okay, so there's that park area. I'm about to drive out. There's some model homes right across the way. And then we're gonna turn left. Okay, so to give you a little bit of an idea of where we are right now, there's the elementary school. Here we're heading back out onto Ranch View East. Okay, let me pause for a second. On the left, maybe that will remind you kind of the entrance and the little pond. Okay, I know you can't really tell, but where the fountains are. Okay, so here we're turning onto Ranch View East. I hope you can tell. Okay, so here's Callison Elementary right here. And okay, so then this is the Heights entrance right here. There's Heights on the right. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And Meadows on the left. Okay, so we skip those first two neighborhood entrances past the school. And it's not far. I would say, gosh, it's probably, I don't know, maybe half a mile down that we turn. Oh, maybe it's a little bit more. I forgot we cross a bridge. Okay, let's see, is this guy going? Okay, so then there's the estates, passing that. And then this is where we cross over this little bridge. Nice big green space. Oops, sorry, I'm zoomed in. Everything's super green right now. Sad, it looks like maybe there was like a little girl had a bike accident here on this bridge at some point. So sad. Okay, and then on the left, there's some development happening. I'm guessing it's homes, more homes, but who knows? Okay, and then, whoops, sorry, I almost missed. There was the hills on the right. I'm sure those have got to be more homes. Valley Ranch is definitely a growing area. Okay, and then this is our last turn, the last place for now that's developed. It just kind of keeps going, but we're gonna turn right on Marsh Straw. Okay, and then this is the model, I'm not the model, the completed house. Let me pull up the address, which was at 9403 Marsh Straw. You can kind of see Moonshine and Marsh Straw. And then we're gonna go left on Moonshine. That was the completed one, or almost completed one that I showed you. We're gonna pass that and go right on Silky Rye. And you can see pretty newly developed. Nobody's moved in yet over here. Okay, so right on Silky Rye. And then left on Holly Patch, which is right here. Whoops, sorry. Trying to drive and video. I'm not doing a fantastic job, sorry. All right, so it's, let's see, I should have been counting 1, 2, 3, I think, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 9th house on the road, a little past the halfway point. And this is one, oh, I'm sorry, I was zoomed in. Okay, so this is 9649 Holly Patch. I forgot to show you the brick color earlier. I'm thinking, it's hard to tell. It looks super dark here, but once you have the grout in there, it lightens up. But I'm thinking it probably looks pretty similar. Let me roll down my window so you can see a little bit better. Okay. It's so hard to tell, I know, because it's a gloomy day. But it's probably pretty similar to the other house that I just showed you at the corner, the one on Straw Marsh. So, I'm sorry, Marsh Straw. Okay, and then just so you know, have a little bit of perspective, this street kind of tees into it. This is Bratton Rise. And your street, this street, I should say, loops around if we go left and runs back into Moonshine. So there's, oh, I meant to show you this as well. Okay, so let me zoom out. I know it's hard to tell. Let me roll this down again. But you could probably, I don't know, I would say looking at the backyards, obviously this spot has to be cut in half, split in half between two houses, but those are pretty good sized yards. So your yard will back up into someone else's, but it looks like it's probably very similar in size to the Marsh Straw backyard. So, and actually the homes right here are a lot more narrow, if you can tell. The backyards are, but the ones deeper in the middle where you would be, those look a little bit deeper. So, whoops, I gotta get out of the way, sorry. Okay, so then remember we're back on Moonshine and just more land that will have houses. And we'll come back out. So we just did a big loop. These are, one of these is the house. Oh, it's that one. Okay. So that's, I wish we could tell how big the yard is. It's so hard to tell. I don't have a way of getting over there, but that's the house, the one right there, that 2-story. Okay, and we'll come back around here. There's where we turned at Silky Rye. And we're gonna come up here, turn right on Marsh Straw. Again, this is the house that I showed you, the one that was completed. And here we're turning back onto Ranch View East. So hopefully that helps give you an idea of where the house is in the neighborhood. Again, just to remind you, the 9649 Holly Patch house will be done somewhere around June 20th. Right now it's listed at $263 and it's a Walsh. Okay, hope that helped you guys.